Hey guys, Paige with Gym Breaks here. Here's a midday stretch. This is gonna loosen up our neck, shoulders, spine, and hips, which may feel tight from all the sitting or even standing that we do. Let's start with a full spinal stretch. So stand up, creating a neutral spine. Do this by tucking your tailbone and bracing your abs. This aligns your spine with your hips. Since sitting places our hips in a forward tilt or anterior tilt. So getting a neutral spine reverses that tilt. Keeping that neutral spine, reach your hands over your head. Really stretch and see how far you can reach and bend on each side. Do a few reps of these, about 1 to 3 per side. Now after that, widen your stance just a little bit. Do another side bend, but this time we're going to bend to the side and then drop your shoulder back. Hold each position for about 10 seconds before coming back up, pausing in the middle, then moving to the next side. Getting in kind of a diagonal bend right here, but this targets the front hip, your major hip flexor, the psoas muscle. And this muscle, it needs some love. Barely gets stretched from all the sitting that we do. Alright, next is the sitting pigeon. We gotta untighten those hips, so grab a chair. And no, I don't keep an office chair in my backyard. But I did bring one out here just for you guys. So with your feet firmly planted on the floor, cross one leg over the other, bringing your ankle to your knee. Bring your chest down to your crossed leg while lightly pressing your knee to keep it flat. Do a few reps of these. Really take your time here, trying to get a little bit deeper with each rep. And on this last one, go as deep as you can, and we're gonna hold it. Let's switch to the other leg and repeat this cycle. This targets your piriformis muscle, which can irritate the sciatic nerve if too tight or inflamed. You'll also get a nice lower back and glute stretch, so plenty of bang for your buck here. So you could also do a standing pigeon where you elevate your leg on a couch, or even a laying pigeon, but this is supposed to be an office-friendly routine, and it might look weird doing a laying pigeon in the office. I don't know. Alright, so we got our hips, we got our back. You didn't think I was gonna forget about the shoulders, did you? I got you. First, grab a wall. Extend your arm out and rotate your torso away from the wall, getting a nice deep stretch in your shoulder. And this is gonna open up your chest too. And holding on that last one. Now don't let your shoulders drop forward. We want to train our bodies to have good posture and not reinforce the bad posture. So make sure your shoulder stays upright, especially in the middle of that stretch outward. Even if that means reminding yourself with every repetition to pull that shoulder back and then do the stretch. I'm showing you here the incorrect forward position versus the correct shoulder back position. And let's switch to the other side and repeat these shoulder chest openers. To recap here, we hit your lower back, your hips, your hip flexors, glutes, hammies, chest, and shoulders, all under 5 minutes and in a safe for work fashion. Not bad. But hey, if you're feeling this midday relief, you can get it for free. It'll be the first link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Or really, you can just watch this video again. No pressure. Either way, enjoy the rest of your day, stay hydrated, and I'll catch you in the next one.